Come to Egypt. عندك ايه؟
رز بلبن.
Mango is very huge in Egypt. They grow a lot of mangoes. They export a lot of mangoes. This is a very popular location for sweets. ايه؟
إذاعة إيه؟
أنا مش فاهمة. أنا
تبع الإذاعة.
أنا آسفة يا أخويا. أنا بتعلم عربي. عايزة رز بلبن. I have the bike. Let's jump on. يلا بينا. Nice. Let's try it. Hello and good afternoon from Egypt. Today I'm going to be taking you guys to a very popular dessert shop for a very well-loved dessert here in Cairo. So let's not waste any time. I have the bike. Let's jump on. Yalla bina. And we have arrived to Beleven. This is a very popular location for sweets. Beleven actually means with milk in Arabic, so it has a lot of like milk-based products. Let's go order. I think the menu's just in Arabic, so yep. But actually, if you do want to look at the menu, I mean, you can translate it with like Google Translate. Just hold your phone up to the menu and the camera will hover over it and translate it. But you can also find the menu online on Talabat, which is like a food delivery service here in Egypt, and they have the menu online as well. So I'm not filming the people or this place because I don't want to be rude. And I'm waiting to order. So maybe there's somewhere to sit because it doesn't look like it, but I think there might be. Assalamu alaikum. عايزة رز بلبن وبالمانجا.
المانجا؟
شكرا. عايزة يا هنا ولا لا؟ مفيش تمام. أنا رايح المكنة. بكم الرز بلبن؟
45.
ها؟
45.
ايه؟
إذاعة إيه؟
أنا مش فاهمة. أنا
تبع الإذاعة.
أنا آسفة يا أخويا. أنا بتعلم عربي.
رز ليك عربي؟
إيه؟
رز ليك عربي؟
يوتيوب.
يوتيوب.
أيوة.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, no seating here. شكرا. مع السلامة. Yeah, I was hoping that there would be somewhere to sit. Actually, the photos online showed that, but turns out there's not, which is fine. Don't be surprised by that. In Egypt, where you might see some photos to something on Google Maps, and it's not the same place. Like you could look up Luxor ancient sites, and it might be showing you like the pyramids of Giza in Cairo, and that goes for like all sorts of places. Generally, the photos are accurate, but sometimes someone throws some random photo in there. So yeah, Beleven. Maybe I can ask the guy here what else they have. Let's see. اتكلم انجليزي؟
انا؟
شوية؟ لا وانا بتعلم عربي بس.
بتعلم عربي؟
in YouTube
ايه؟
name.
ها؟ اهلا. اسمه G Ventures. G Ventures. بص عندي oh they have ice cream. كله بس YouTube. Yeah, subscribe. All right, yeah. So I didn't ask him what they have here. الحلويات عندك ايه؟
رز بلبن كيكه
كيكه
146
ايوه all right got some English شكرا جدا وكمان ايس كريم Bye. Okay, yeah, so everything like involved with milk. So I wonder if they have omwali. عندك omwali? تمام شكرا. Bye. Yeah, they have omwali, ice cream. I made a video about omwali. It's actually one of my favorite desserts. I have a feeling it's not hot here though, and I do like it. It's best served hot in my opinion. And it's a funny story behind that dish as well. The history goes back and it's full of murder. But yeah, so they have ice cream and arroz beleban. Let's see this little dish. So it was 45 Egyptian pounds. Decent size as well. Look at that. Yeah. Beautiful. I haven't even opened it up yet, so hang on. I gotta set the camera down to like open it up. All right. The thing that maybe I shouldn't have ordered the mango is that you cannot see the rice pudding. So what I've ordered is arroz beleban. Sorry, I didn't even tell you. So arroz beleban is essentially rice pudding. That's what it means actually. Arroz is rice, beleban with milk. And yeah, it is obviously well known around the world. Everyone eats rice pudding, but it's very well loved here in Egypt. And they have a lot of different toppings. You can have it just plain, or people will have it with toppings such as nuts and raisins, coconut flakes. You know, you can pretty much put whatever you want in it. I chose mango. Mango is very huge in Egypt. They grow a lot of mangoes. They export a lot of mangoes. I think it's like one of the largest producers of mango in the world that they produce all year around. And it is mango season from like June to October. The end of October is mango season here in Egypt. So yeah, let's take a bite of this. Maybe I'll continue talking about mangoes. I don't know how to eat this though because I have to set the camera down. All right. So I want to show you guys. Nice. Let's try it. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, it's like cold, creamy on a day, a hot day like this. It's amazing. اهلا. ازيك؟ لا كله تمام شكرا.
جبتك عيش مع العيش
Yeah. Got these guys just chilling. Are they waiting for parking? I don't know. Yeah, so arroz beleban. I want to just like pull away the mango so you can see. I mean, we all know what rice pudding is, right? Yeah, delicious though. لا. Yeah, that is so amazing. I love rice pudding. Everyone loves it here. Just made it some at home recently. Sort of. My boyfriend helped me. But yeah, it is a very delicious dish. And about the mangoes. So yeah, it's usually grown, like the majority of the mangoes grown in Egypt are, let's see these guys behind me. I don't know, I think they're working. But yeah, they're grown in the northern part of the country. Like I think 80% of them in Ismailia. But they have a mango festival, which I think I've already missed, or if it's happening soon and I'm not going to be able to make it, but maybe next year. But you should definitely try mangoes, mango juice, fresh mangoes, all of it when you come to Egypt because they are famous for their mangoes. What else was I going to say? Oh, this place, Beleven, which is back over there, is very popular. It's a chain restaurant, so they have a lot of locations in Cairo around different parts of the city. They also have it in Alexandria, Port Said, I think Al Alamein as well. So yeah, a lot of like the northern part of the country though. I'm not sure if they have it down south in like Luxor or anything like that. So yes, super delicious. Let's take another bite before I say goodbye to you guys. Just a quick video. I was maybe even gonna try more stuff, but once I saw they didn't have seating, I'm like, I don't have room for this. Yeah. Come to Egypt. Alright guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna finish this off out on the street here, or maybe I'll throw it in my backpack and just drive home, I don't know. But very delicious. Highly recommend eating some roz beleven when you are in Egypt. I can't believe I haven't showed this already. It's been almost 3 years. But yeah, there's a lot of different amazing dishes and desserts here in Egypt that I have yet to show you. So stay tuned for what's coming next. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Ma salama.